Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me, and we are going to make this amazing jerk drumsticks, and we're also gonna make some amazing rum sauce for it. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Remember to tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. And guess what? We're on our way to 13,000 subscribers. So help me get there by subscribing and sharing. And I can't wait to see you guys at 13,000. All right? So let's get into it. I already went ahead and cleaned and washed my drumsticks nicely. I will also add some vegetable oil, and the vegetable oil will help to keep it moist. If you don't have any vegetable oil at home, you can always go ahead and use some olive oil. I will then go in and add all of my powdered seasoning. And please note that if you guys have other powdered seasoning at home that you want to use, you can always go ahead and do so. I will add some black pepper, some seasoned salt, some paprika, and I will also add some all-purpose seasoning. I will also go in and add my jerk seasoning. And please note, guys, that you can always go ahead and use any brand of jerk seasoning. If you want to use the wet jerk seasoning, you can always do so, or if you want to use a dry one, you can always work with whichever one works best for you. So once I add the jerk seasoning and the dry seasoning, I will just combine all of this goodness well, and then I'm going to put it aside and come back. Leave it there for roughly about 30 minutes, and remember to cover. And you can always go ahead and prepare some amazing creamy mashed potato. I have all of those amazing recipes on my YouTube channel. You can have it with some coconut rice, you can have it with some rice and peas, you can have it with some pumpkin rice, whatever you have at home, whatever your family love. Go ahead and pair it with it and just have fun in the kitchen. Now, if you know anything about Jamaican jerk, then you will know that jerk need to be spicy and full of, seasoning and that little zing. So that's what we're working with today. So this is my chicken all seasoned. So it's time to go ahead and cover it and just put it aside until we're ready to go on the outside. Now you can always go ahead and do oven jerk, or if you're like me, you can always go ahead and do the outside jerk on the grill, whichever one works best for you. I know some persons that might be watching this, it's a little bit cold in your area. You're not able to go on the outside to light up your grill, so you can always go ahead and do the oven jerk. And I do have recipes and tutorials on my channel for the oven jerks. You can always go ahead and look at that as well. So we're gonna go ahead and add the drumsticks to the jerk to the grill. And of course, once I add the drumsticks, I'm gonna close it down and just allow it to just cook nicely. And again, guys, you don't want a big fire underneath it because you don't want to burn up your drumsticks. All right, so after 20 minutes, I'm gonna come back and just flip it over on the other side and allow it to cook nicely. So you want to ensure that your drumsticks is cooked nicely on both the inside and the outside, and you want it to get that nice jerk color as well. So I will encourage you guys not to put a big fire underneath it. A small fire will work perfectly fine. And just a reminder, the smoke is the one that is good. The smoke gonna cook the drumsticks and not the actual big fire. The big fire just gonna burn it up, but the smoke will go through it and cook it nicely. So you can always go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using. And again, if you have any other seasoning that you want to add to it, remember you can always go ahead and add your twist to this amazing jerk. Every 20 minutes, I will flip it over on each side so that it can cook nicely inside out. And basically, this took me roughly about 50 minutes to prepare. It was really quick and easy, and that's the thing I love about jerk. I love the fact that you don't have to stand up over the jerk pan for the entire time that it's cooking. You just allow it to just slow cook, and you will get the perfect jerk chicken, jerk pork, whatever you're having, whatever your family feels for. So now that my jerk is all ready, it's time to go ahead and remove it from the fire. And guys, if you're looking at this, it was so good. Look at the color. Tell me what you love about it. Tell me, guys, in the comment section. I want to hear from you. So we're going to go on the inside. And basically, the sauce is just some sweet and spicy sauce. I add to a pot. I add some honey. I also add a little bit of brown sugar, some water, the rum. And I just allow it to come to a boil. And that's what we're going to pour over the wings. And guys, this is it. The final product of my amazing jerk drumsticks with the rum sauce. I am sure you guys want to give it a try, but I want to hear from you in the comment section. Let me know if you would try this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember, guys, to subscribe to my channel and also to turn on your post notification bell. I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye, guys, and thank you again for watching.